Report views are a special kind of views. See Views tutorial for more information. To make them available as reports, just activate this option. Now this view can be used as a report. As you see, there's a A4 paper on the background. To remove the standard view, disable this option in the view's parameters. Labels are key to report views. See the Labels tutorial for details. Let's create a label containing an isotherm image of the project. For that, open the Tags tree. See the Tags tutorial. And select Isotherms Views tag. Now we want to resize the image and we need to disable Labels Auto Size on both directions to do that. Now we'll add some other labels to the report. As you can see, you have complete freedom when creating reports. You can create any report you want and save it to Reports Library in order to reuse them. This software also contains a huge report library that you can use and customize. In this case, we loaded a report specific for UF computation on vertical nodes and vertical paper. Please note the series of and the black rectangle on the top. The are placeholders of specific tags contained in a text label. The black rectangle is a placeholder for a label background set through a tag. You can edit these special tags' content through the View menu settings. These tags will be used in any project you have. They are application specific. The same for the footer. The only difference is that those tags are project specific. You can access them through the View menu, Project Settings. They are saved together with project files. Once you're satisfied with your report, you can print it like any other document.